My daughter trying to burp, y'all. She said she got to get that burp out. She got a burp wouldn't come out.
Mama, look at me. Look at me.
Wait, it's coming.
She trying to burp.
Trying to make it wiggle to the front.
Mama, it's
Oh, Lord.
Mommy.
Wait, I'm trying to get this burp.
Hurry.
She said she got a burp that won't come out. She trying to burp. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord gave you something else. Oh, Jesus. That's my daughter, y'all.
Hey, why is it stuck? Hold on.
I did it. I did it.
I give myself a wedgie and see. See if it'll come up sometime. Nothing working.
Girl, you ain't got to do all that to burp. Y'all, this is what I deal with. She keep me laughing.
Back here. Back here. Mama, look. Back here. Mama, look back.
It's like it's stuck in my stomach.
Mama, look back here.
I feel it though. Hold on.
Mama, talk to Mama.
That's some more, y'all. That's my daughter.
Let me see if I squeeze it around my stomach.
That's my daughter, y'all.
I'm trying to see if it's squeezing. Wait, no, that wasn't big enough.
You want it long, deep, and wide. Huh? You
Yes.
got to come from the bottom.
Yes. I'm going to know when it's in, it's going to just have it loose. It's still a little tight, like.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy, Mom, look at me. I'm good. I feel like this.
Let me see if I meditate.
Look at me. I'm good at this.
Bert, you come on.
Look
Come on,
at
Bert.
me.
Come on, Bert. Yes.
Where did you come from?
Maybe that'll help. Good idea, Jay.
You come from.
It's not helping. Give me some better moves, Jaden. No, still nothing. I need something else. Oh, good one, good one. But ain't nothing helping. What is it?
Yeah, let me help you. Come through now.
Wait.
Nothing yet.
Maybe
Nothing
if
yet.
I push myself physically, like the bird fulfill the question. Like, no, my body not getting a hint. Wait, okay, squeeze me. Squeeze me.
I'll hurt.
Squeeze me. You're supposed to be squeezing me. What's going on?
Oh no.
Come on.
Okay. Squeeze you harder?
Yeah. Oh, it's almost.
Let Let's do this together.
We got this.
Yeah, I got you.
How sweet is it?
Maybe feeling some room in my clothes. Come on, get in my clothes.
Get in your clothes.
Yeah, maybe like fill in like my body.
She got shorts on.
And
She got shorts.
Yeah, she
I
got
shorts.
shorts on.
Maybe fill in my body and make my clothes get tighter, and it'll probably pop out. What you think?
Yeah.
Come on, get in.
I'll get in.
Come on. Maybe like
Yeah,
make
some
my,
characters.
no, make my clothes get tighter so I can feel the burp. Come on, stand up, get your feet, jump up.
Oh, Lord.
Maybe if I walk a little bit. No, this
You
not
trying to
me.
help her burp, Jamie?
Get out.
I'm stuck by the clothes. I'm stuck by the clothes.
Oh Lord. This is how it was when I was trying to have you. You ain't want to come back.
You
Get out.
stuck?
Climb out.
Climb out. Alright.
Yes, you got to roll on the floor and take them out.
My leg is
Ooh, Lord, yes.
Ooh, that's how them sins be. They be stuck. You got to push them out. You got to go to God.
And burp them out.
You got to go to God. You got to, Lord, receive it. Receive it.
Yeah, hold on. This one might work. Oh, what you stomach to do?
No, you ain't.
And I want burp.
He said he'll punch your stomach and you'll burp.
Yeah. And then what? The burp will cause.
I ain't say knock all the wind out of me. I said I'm trying to get the burp out.
Yeah, look.
Ain't nothing working. Maybe if I read the word. Find the scripture. Like for real, for no joke. What about? Go to some scripture, my phone, read the word. Loosen me up, Lord. Wait.
Nothing yet?
Oh, with no burp. Ooh. There you go.
There it is.
Yeah, you did it.
Ooh. See, we got to talking about that word to come up. Can't fight. Can't fight it. You can't fight it. When it's there, it's there. Let it come out.
Everything have to come out in the name of Jesus. You feel
All right.
better now?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay. She's a character, y'all. Gotta love her, gotta love her. She's a character.
Yeah,
You want to say something to the people?
baby, we out. Whatever you're going through, physically, mentally, and inside of you just full of food, you gotta go to the word. Everything you will receive, whatever you looking for through the word. You full of gas, go to the word. Just tired of eating,
He's
and
a
you don't know
healer.
you don't know how to back away from the table when you're tired of eating. Go to the word.
He's a
That's
healer.
all I can say. The word is it. It's in the word.